Hey, if you wonder if there's the AI on iPhone 16, then yes, for sure it's available, but not everywhere. So currently it's only available for United States, and later this year they are gonna also release this for other countries and other languages. By the way, yeah, that's only available currently in the English, but the Apple is gonna release the AI for German, Italian, Korean, Portuguese, and from what I remember, there was also the Vietnamese language. And also they're gonna put it on the other countries like the South Africa, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, but it's not available in the Europe currently because there's some kind of the issue with the European Commission. So they are actually making a discussion, and maybe they are gonna actually release this like in the 2025, 2026, but we don't know. We just have to follow the news on Apple website. So yeah, that will be all the quick information for you, and thanks for watching.